this is Jesse and Emma here, and we're doing our recording on cows and fences. Okay, so first, we need to figure out the input-output table. Okay, so in the first question, right here, there are 8 cubes and a fence and 1 cow. So 1 cow and 8 cubes. Okay, now for the second one. There are 10 cubes and a fence and 2 cows. So there's 10 cubes and a fence and 2 cows. And for the third one, there are 12 cubes and a fence and 3 cows. Yes. Now, in the input-output table, you have 6, 0 to 6, 1 to 8, 2 to 10, 3 to 12, and 4 to 14. Now, notice how every single time we're adding like two cubes to the fence and 1 cow. So there's 1 cow when there's 8 cubes. There's 2 cows when there's 10 cubes. There's 3 cows when there's 12 cubes. And there's 4 cows when there's 14 cubes. And there's 0 cows when there's 6 cubes in the fence. And then with 100 cows, there's 206 cubes in the fence. So, now, we're trying to figure out the rule. So, you go from 2, and you loop it over, and then you multiply 2 times each of these numbers. Now, 2 times 0 equals 0. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. And 2 times 3 equals 6. And 2 times 4 equals 8. And 2 times 100 equals 200. So, notice how every single time we have to add numbers. So we have to get from 0 to 6, and from 2 to 8, and from 4 to 10, and from 6 to 12, and from 8 to 14, and 100 to 200, and 200 to 206. So each time we need to add 6. So the rule would be x times 2, since this is the x and this is the y. So x times 2 plus 6 equals y. Okay, so now we're graphing it. There are 4 cows altogether. Now, and then there's 14 cubes in the fence altogether. So, 0 cows would be 6. That's 1 point. 1 cow would be 8 cubes. 3 cows would be 12 cubes. And 4 cows would be 14 cubes. So, now we graph that, and we make a line, and that's our graph. Yeah.